Hey guys, I'm Shane from Mahas Productions, and today, in collaboration with AMD and Lemon Sky Studios, we've been invited to check out their awesome facility behind these open doors. I'm supposed to have a co-host today, but I can't seem to find her. Although they say that she's tiny and adorable, I don't think she's that tiny until I can't find her, right?
Welcome to Lemon Sky Studios. Okay, we are actually a CGI studio. We have been in the industry for more than 13 years now, and currently our big family have more than 300 artists in the studio. We do games art and as well animation side. We do from pre-production to post-production, covering from 3D modeling, lighting, visual effect, compositing, and we also did our IP development as well.
What are the motivations and drive behind Lemon Sky?
It's Make Good Art, as you can see behind me. Make Good Art came up from our three directors. Our three directors are actually artists. So when they started this studio, they have come up with this idea where they want to create something that will always motivate them through the hardship of the business. No matter how hard is the business or how good is the business going, they always want to do good art. This is where all the top games and animation we have made behind these doors.
Why don't you tell us what happens over there?
On this side is our assembly team area, is where everything is assembled and everything will look nice before it gets to anyone's size.
So this is where they produce the eye candy. How about this side then?
On this side area is the most exciting area, which is our game department area, is where we produce all our top titles like StarCraft Remastered, and the most recent one is Marvel Spider-Man. We call ourselves as the Lemonions.
Lemonions. Wow. It's like a new alien race.
We practice a casual, smart kind of attire. We want to create a cozy ambience to create more relaxing feelings where the creativity can come, and then an open space area so we can easily communicate with our colleagues.
Do you guys have any programs in place where you motivate people to do better and be a bit more competitive in their work environment?
We do the program called EOM, Employee of the Month.
So what do they get if they win?
We have two awards. One is for the fresh lemons, and second is for the lemon spirit, which you already exceed after 6 months of working in Lemon Sky. So for fresh lemons, we normally give a 300 games voucher. And for lemon spirit, you can either choose for PS4, Xbox, and also the latest one in Nintendo Switch.
So this is their top secret taking a break corner, because if you work in a creative field like I do and they do, it's always good to take a break from time to time because you don't want to keep staring at the computer screen all the time, right?
Yeah, true. Because here we encourage our artists to have a very fresh mind, so where they can create more creative and fresh artworks. So we encourage them to have these fresh feelings.
So basically what she says, if you can do your work lying down, you can technically do it lying down and you're allowed.
I didn't say that.
So this is their very romantically lit pantry area where they can eat grapes and the OGs can play chess. They even play the guitar.
Yep, we do have here.
Yeah. And I heard sometimes there's free food too. Is that right?
Yep, we do provide free lunch every Friday, and it's a vegetarian free lunch because since we are multinational and multiracial artists, so we want to make sure everything can eat the food. Everyone can. Not everyone.
Everyone can eat the food. And they told me there's no such thing as a free lunch.
Yes, so my name is Gene. I'm the production supervisor at Lemon Sky. Basically, my job is to oversee the day-to-day production floor.
Lemon Sky has been involved in a lot of high-profile jobs and projects, right?
So recently, we've been involved in Spider-Man. We just completed Spider-Man, Uncharted, The Lost Legacy, and one of the biggest one we worked on was StarCraft Remastered.
You just became my childhood hero. What are your involvements in these projects, if you don't mind sharing?
So in Spider-Man, we work on a lot of the props and environment. StarCraft Remaster, we work on almost the entire game itself. Working with Blizzard, which is one of the biggest game developer in the world. Yeah, it sounds intimidating, but they are super cool guys to work with.
Let's talk about what can we look forward from Lemon Sky in the near and far future.
Yeah, so currently the more exciting news, the more exciting projects that we are working on is, of course, Blizzard Warcraft Reforged, which is a remaster of Warcraft 3. The second thing we are working on currently is with Nickelodeon, working on 2 CG's TV series.
And I heard from a little bird that you guys are also working on Command and Conquer.
Yep, you're right. We are currently working on one of our own IPs called Astrology. So Astrology is a TV series based on star sign. It's a series that everyone can relate to because everyone has their own star sign. It's funny as well because it's a comedy series, 2 minutes for each episode. So we're actually creating 288 episodes.
Oh wow.
Okay, this is our animation department. Is where all our animators animate all the animations that including Disney World, Nickelodeon, and many more.
No wonder the people here are so animated. So lame.
Welcome to our IT department. This is where all the technical stuff are made to make sure all the games and animation are rendered nicely.
And smoothly and mysteriously, like the 2 mysterious personnel standing behind discussing about probably very secretive stuff. How does AMD get involved in with you guys in Lemon Sky, and how do their products help with your workflow?
We are looking at AMD because when you guys launch the new Ryzen, guys, we kind of see that there's a lot of CPU power going on in there, and CPU power is what we need to get the renders out very quickly. So the Threadripper was actually almost 3 times faster than our current PC in the render farm.
I guess they'll be happy to know that.
Yeah. One of the future plans is, of course, we might expand our render farm. Another plan we are looking at maybe to adapt it into our workstation as well.
Are you guys actually hiring?
Yeah, we do, and we always open for applications. If you guys want to know the more details about it, you guys can check out on our Facebook, www.facebook.com/lemonskystudios, or our website, www.lemonskystudios.com.
歡樂時光過得特別快，又係時間講拜拜。We are at the end of our tour. I would like to thank Lemon Sky, AMD, and also the awesome Shida for having us today.
Thank you for coming by to Lemon Sky Studios.
And we'll see you in the next one.